Are you looking to buy a lithium golf cart battery, but you're wondering why the prices are so different? What may seem cheaper now might need replacement sooner than you think. A claim of 6,000 cycles means nothing if the battery isn't built according to the lithium cell manufacturer's specifications. If it's not built properly, you lose performance. Unconstrained lithium cells can swell. Swelling increases internal resistance, and resistance causes voltage drop. And that's when your battery starts tripping on hills that you used to drive easily. Poorly designed busbars makes it worse. When your cells start to swell and there's no room for busbar expansion, mechanical stress is directly transmitted into your cell terminals. That is a safety risk. At CatBat, we engineer all of these things perfectly, and that's why we confidently offer a 5-year warranty, and we guarantee 36 holes for 5 years on our 105 amp hour locally designed and manufactured lithium golf cart batteries. If you want lithium that's built to last, contact us to order yours today.